This video is brought to you by Westpac Lifestyle, but more on them later.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel where we organize and make things beautiful. I'm Des and this is Sort and Style. Guys, today I thought we'd do another hacks video. The last hacks we did, I couldn't bust any of those hacks, so we're gonna try again today. Got a few more hacks, general hacks, and we'll see if any of them work. Let's get started. Guys, so the first hack is how to sharpen your pair of scissors. So how we're gonna test this is we're gonna get a piece of paper and you're just gonna cut it. I just wanna see which one. This one is less sharp, more blunt. So I'm gonna use these scissors for the hack. So what you apparently do to sharpen scissors, you take a piece of tin foil and you just cut it. The more you cut the tin foil, the more it sharpens your scissors. Okay, let's see if it works now. Yeah, it's definitely more sharper, and if you carry on going, can you see my face? Sharpen scissors with tinfoil. Hack approved. Next. Okay guys, so the next hack is that shaving cream and or toothpaste cleans jewelry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use shaving cream on maybe my one ring and toothpaste on the other one and see which one works best. Okay guys, I just realized that I actually don't have an old toothbrush. Not bad. But I've got this old lash brush, so I'm going to use this instead. Okay guys, so we've got our two rings in separate bowls, and I'm going to use the shaving cream on this one and the toothpaste on this one. And now for the shaving cream. Oh, that was hot. Oops. Oh, that's too much. Oops. Can you even see what I'm doing? Slippery. Okay guys, so we're now gonna clean it up and see which one works better. Let's start with the toothpaste one. Okay guys, so here's the two ringies. The diamond looks a bit more sparkly, to be honest, on this side. And this also looks a bit more sparkly than that one. So I'm gonna say, between the two, shaving cream jewelry cleaning hack approved. We must just now clean up this mess, eh?
Sir, yes, sir!
Hey guys, I just want to take a moment to thank the sponsor of this video, Westpac Lifestyle. Get on over to one of their nationwide stores and see all the variety that they have on offer. Let's get back to the video. So our next hack is You know when you're vacuuming and it smells like dust when you vacuum? Well, apparently, if you vacuum up some cinnamon, it's gonna smell like cinnamon. Your whole house is gonna smell all cinnamony. Let's give it a try. I don't smell cinnamon dust. No, that definitely doesn't smell like cinnamon. Hack busted. I don't smell any cinnamon. I finally found a hack that I busted. Okay guys, the next hack we're going to try out is cleaning our caps. I found this one quite interesting because my husband wears a lot of caps all the time, and this is quite a quick, easy way to get these caps cleaned. You just put them in the dishwasher, and that way they won't lose their shape. The peak doesn't get damaged or lose its shape. So that's a handy tip there.
Okay guys, I think that's where we can leave it for part 1 of this video. I am going to have a part 2 just because there was a lot to do. So I will see you in the next video, part 2, cleaning hats. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment and ring the bell. I will see you guys soon. Bye.